In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze typeform responses with GPT. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring that you can easily follow along and understand each part thoroughly. So let's dive in and make the most out of your typeform data together. First, we'll head over to Typeform. Make sure you're logged into your account, as you'll need access to the dashboard to get started. Typeform is an amazing tool for collecting data through interactive and engaging forms. Now, once you're on the platform, you want to select your form. This is the specific form whose responses you wish to analyze, so take your time to choose the correct one. You'll find it listed among your other forms in the workspace. After selecting the form, navigate to the results section. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll find the responses that have been collected through your form. Directly under results, click on responses. This will give you a detailed view of all the individual answers submitted by your respondents. It's quite fascinating to see real data flow in this section, providing insights and trends at your fingertips. The next step involves exporting your data. We'll do this by exporting it as a CSV file. This format allows for flexible data manipulation and is easily compatible with many analytical tools. In the responses section, look for the export option and choose CSV. Once exported, the file will be downloaded to your computer and you're ready to move on to the next part of our process. Now, with your CSV file in hand, we will prepare the data. This means cleaning up the spreadsheet to ensure it's in a format that's straightforward for analysis. This might include removing any unwanted columns or formatting errors that could hinder the process. Think of this as tidying up your workspace. Once you're satisfied with the data preparation, it's time to analyze it with GPT. To do this, we will send the responses to GPT. You'll likely need a platform that integrates GPT's capabilities, perhaps a text editor or an automation tool that supports large data inputs from CSV files. Once you've selected how you'll input your data, simply copy-paste your CSV file content into the chosen platform. Finally, it's time to dive into the analysis by utilizing prompts. A simple yet effective way to begin is with the prompt Summarize Typeform Responses. This command will direct GPT to provide a concise overview of the responses, helping you grasp key insights and patterns swiftly. You can try different prompts to pull out various types of information or dive deeper into specific data segments. And there you have it, a comprehensive approach to analyzing typeform responses using GPT. With these steps, you can transform data into meaningful insights effortlessly. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.